Hi friends, it's great to see you back at Garfin's Creation. Today at Garfin's Creation we'll be making this honeycomb toffee, also called as honeycomb candy, sponge toffee, also sea foam, and has got many other names as well. It's a very light toffee and can be used in many other ways as well. So let's start with the recipe. I just grease a tray that is 9 by 8 inches with some oil. Grease it well so that the candy does not stick to it. And then in a non-stick pan, I have taken half a cup of grain sugar. Use a deep pan for this recipe. To this I'll be adding half a cup of corn syrup. This corn syrup is easily available in bakery accessory shops. You'll also get them online. Once I've added both the ingredients, I will now lit the fire and keep it on medium flame. To this I'll be adding 1.5 teaspoon of vinegar. We need to keep stirring this continuously till all the sugar is fully dissolved. You can keep the flame on medium to high. And this entire stirring process will take around 8 to 10 minutes. Gradually the sugar starts melting and it starts getting a little bit foamy. It's good to keep all the ingredients ready before starting this recipe, as we need to be a little quick towards the end while making this toffee. We also need to take a deep vessel, as this is going to bubble up and increase in volume. You can use this honeycomb candy for garnishing of cakes, making milkshakes, and even adding it to your ice creams. The sugar is completely melted now, so we have to stop stirring and let it start getting caramelized. The flame is still on medium and slowly you can see that it starts getting a little brown. A little more brown and then we'll put the flame off. We can also check whether the sugar is ready by adding a little bit of it in a bowl of water. And then you can check it that it gets crystallized and gets hard. So this is done and the flame should be off now. Do not let the syrup get too dark now. You need to put the flame off now and we have to be a little bit quick. Adding nuts to this is completely optional. I've just added 1/4 cups of some cashew nuts and peanuts. Remember, the flame is off and immediately I'll be adding 1 plus ½ teaspoon of baking soda. Do not have to stir this too much. Just let it get mixed. That's it. Do not want the foam to be disturbed or get deflated. After adding the baking soda, the sugar syrup starts bubbling up. And immediately we need to pour it into the greased tray. Do not try to level it up or even to rearrange it with a spatula. Just let it fall onto the tray. Be careful not to burn yourself and keep children out at this point. And now very lightly I'll just try to scrape off the little as I can and put it at the side of the tray. That's it. Our honeycomb toffee, honeycomb candy, sponge toffee or sea foam candy is ready. It's still very hot and we'll have to let this cool down completely at room temperature. After an hour, it gets dried and becomes brittle. I just use a knife and try to get it out from below. It comes out easily and you can see how light and airy and the honeycomb texture inside it. We will now break this into smaller pieces. We can make smaller pieces of this honeycomb candy and also dip it in some melted chocolate. This honeycomb candy absorbs moisture quickly. Once you break them into smaller pieces, store them in an airtight box. Do not refrigerate them. Keep them at room temperature and they stay good out for a week. You can enjoy this honeycomb candy as they are. Very light, airy and crunchy and delicious as well. Do give a thumbs up if you like this video and also subscribe to Garfin's Creation for more such lovely videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.